what we eat in a day as a Vietnamese and German couple.
Although we live together, we eat different food because we come from very different food culture and it just doesn't work with us to find a common ground. So for my breakfast, I have fried bitter melon with egg and it has bread with cheese and pickle, very typical in Germany. For lunch, I make kimchi noodle and he make noodle salad. I actually like it, so we share some together. For dinner, I have shrimp and vegetable soup and he bought some Maultaschen in the supermarket and cooked it. I think it's like the German version of ravioli. Then we eat some sherry and that's it for the day.